What's up viewers, hope you're well. Today Self-Healthcare presenting a new video about your ears. Many people have hearing problem. Hope this video will help them. Because in this video I will show you how to get rid of deafness problem. So keep watching, be healthy and happy. This is our YouTube channel, Self-Healthcare. Press the bell icon to get notifications of our latest uploads. Don't forget to like, share and comment. And also subscribe to our YouTube channel. Let's start our today's topic, your ears, and say goodbye to deafness. In general, as we age, many health problems appear, and the part of them are also auditory problems appear. They do not question the age, sex, race, nor social state. You can have this problem no matter what. That's why you need to know how to treat it. Here we are going to present you a natural remedy with garlic that will help you against this problem quickly and effectively. You need 3 garlic cloves, olive oil, a dropper, cotton or loaf. Preparation: Peel and wash the garlic, then pour the olive oil over it and leave it to absorb the liquid for a while. Put the obtained liquid in a dropper and leave it to rest for the whole day to obtain a better effect. Use: apply from 2 to 3 drops in every ear and covers it with the cotton or loaf. You will notice that little by little you are recovering your hearing. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.